Friends, we are moving to next lesson, that is third lesson of history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. So it is a little bit long lesson. So first we will go through the lesson, then we will see the main points of the lesson, then we will come back to read the lesson. Nazism and the rise of Hitler, introduction part. Then comes the of the Weimar Republic, that is another like a French, like that another one country, they are becoming Republic one. And for that, the effects of the war, the next heading we are going to see that one, effects of the war. Then political radicalism and economical crisis of Weimar. Then next one, the year of depression, how they are suffering the depression, and is it equal with other countries or any speciality is here in this country, that one. Then Hitler's rise to power, Hitler is becoming started to become powerful, and he will become the most powerful person. Then destruction of democracy after Hitler's development or rise, then democracy it is losing. Reconstruction of the state or country. Then Nazi world view, how the Nazi people is looking to the world countries or the countries, how they are looking to Nazism also. Establishment of a racial state. Then next one, racial utopia. Then comes the steps to death. Different Hitler introduced different types of death and other things that you will see. And youth in Nazi Germany, what happened to the youth people, how they was treated. Then Nazi cult of motherhood, what they are saying about motherhood, they want to get child or not. Then the art of propaganda, they are giving the making the information and giving awareness to the people with the help of slogan and other things. Then this everything related to Nazi. Then ordinary people and crime against humanity, how the Hitler's development or developmental activities felt to the ordinary people, and the crime done by Hitler or Hitler's government to the common people. Knowledge about Holocaust. Then next comes everything is new things for us. This is all about lesson. Many pages are there, many concepts are there. So everything is new for us. So what we will do, first we will go through the main topic, means key ideas of the lesson. Afterwards we will come back and read the lesson. You can see the source C, source D, like that things, that questions, like that questions also will ask. So what is our why we want to study this lesson, or why we want to understand the world history. Otherwise we can't say like that Indian history is not full. It is when we are learning only Indian history, Indian independence war, like that. Why we are not adopting some part of the world system, or some part we adopted, why it is and what it is, like that things we can understand. And in some speeches you may heard like that critical speech of against the BJP government, you may heard like that. I don't know, you people are watching like that critical news and other things, or news analysis and the other things. In that they are saying like that Narendra Modi is another aspects of, not the full aspects of Hitler, but a partial aspects of Hitler, like that, because he is taking some of the decision. For example, now the farmers bill taken, in that the small farmer is going to suffer a lot, because they can sell their product not only here in Tamil Nadu, peasant can take that one to any other state, and where they are getting a good price. Who will help for transportation? The transportation cost is free or not? Here they may get that particular thing. For example, sugar cane, they may get like that 100 rupees per kg, suppose. And if you are taking to Karnataka or Maharashtra, they may get 1000 rupees. But who will consider this transportation cost, or they are living on this traveling from one state to other state? There's in between checkposts are there. There we want to give some amount, or we want to take the pass and other things. Who will do all these things? And what is the use of with this particular bill to the small farmer? Okay, as a big farmer like a Reliance or like that big person, it's okay. For them it won't affect because they are having their own transportation facilities and other things, and they are purchasing from the farmers bulky items in a bulk way, not 100 one truck or two truck. They are purchasing hundreds of truck things from the farmer and sending to other area. So in that also he got the criticism. He is a partial person as a Hitler. Or in the CA bill, what we can say, citizenship bill also, he got the same criticism. So when we are reading news, not only the news what is coming in the particular channel, try to read other channels also, other newspapers also, in that editorial pages, as well as some of the critical review, newspaper review or news review or the policy review, that also we want to observe. I don't know how many students observed that Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha meetings of monsoon season that it was there in month of September. I have sent a link. 10th standard some students observed and they have given some their opinion, and 9th standard students also given chance to observe it, and that videos will be available in YouTube. When you are getting free time, just observe at least one day program by 1 hour 2 hour, how the MPs they are criticizing the government, or how they are supporting the government, that you can see. Okay, we are moving to the key points of the lesson. Okay, first one, it is birth of Weimar Republic. First World War. Germany has defeated in the First World War. Which country defeated? Germany. After the war was over, the monarchy in Germany quit. Up to that time it was monarchy system, and that stopped war in Germany. Then Weimar Republic. The National Assembly met a Weimar to wrote a constitution. Working deputies were elected to the German parliament or the Reichstag, because the monarch, they stopped their rule and they was ready to go away. So what they are doing, they are start again making a national assembly. For what purpose? To write the constitution. Were in Weimar. And what they are doing, first they are deputes the elected German parliament. And second one, structure, democratic constitution with a federal structure. What type of what structure? It is federal structure. And what type constitution? Democratic, means by the people, for the people, of the people. Universal adult franchise, all adult have right to vote including women. That was the universal adult franchise adopted by the Weimar Assembly. Defects, proportional representation made achieving a majority by any one party or near impossible task, which led to the rule by coalition. So in the assembly, any one party never got the majority, proper majority, or the absolute majority. So what they are doing, they are called different parties together and made the coalition government. How in India this NDA is ruling, not only BJP, Shiva Sena and other parties also coming together and making the rule like that. Same condition happened in the when they conducted the Weimar Assembly. Article 48 gave a president the power to impose emergency, suspend civil rights and rule by decree. And in Article 48, that was the one of the article then afterwards going to play an important role in Germany or in Hitler, when what he is going to take maximum. That was Article 48. In that it is given the power to the president for what? To impose emergency. He can say like that, this is president rule for some time, like that. Then suspend civil rights. We are having the fundamental rights, that he can say no for some time, and rule by decrees. He can give some decrees or documents and he can rule. That was the Article 48, important one. The republic was not received well by its own people, largely because of it had to accept the peace treaty of Versailles after Germany's defeat at the end of the First World War, because the republic was not received well, because they are want to accept the treaty, what they made the Treaty of Versailles, for what, because they become defeated in the First World War. So because of that one, they want to do many things, what they how much trouble they given to other countries. Then we are going to see the specialty of the Treaty of Versailles. Germany lost its overseas colonies wherever they had colonies. For example, if it is in Asian countries or in African countries, that everything lost, that they want to repay, or as a payment they want to give to other countries, or which countries become successful. 30% of its territories they lost, the 30% of its territory also. 70% of its iron, means iron mines and iron factories was there. In that 75% they want to give to other country, or were they given the destruction. 26% of its coal, because of this Germany lost its overseas colonies and 13% of its territory. That's why knowingly or unknowingly they lost their 75% of iron mines, then 26% of its coal. Allied powers demilitarized Germany. Germany can't make any military. How much they made the military powerful, that everything demilitarized. Everything they said to the country to send the armies to go back to their home, or they can join with other countries. Pay compensation of $6 billion. Lost resource rich Rhineland, were they given the destruction. There what they want to do, they want to give a high amount of compensation for that purpose. Many Germans held in the new Weimar Republic responsible very sorry, for not only the defeat in the war, but the disgrace at the Versailles. Because these things, if they are say yes to it, they want to suffer a big loss in the country of Germany. So the people become disgraced or very restless because of this one. Then effects of the war. The First World War. The war has devastating impact on Europe, both psychologically and financially. Because of the First World War, the country is suffering. Not only Germany, or many countries suffered. Even England was suffering. Even France was suffering. Many countries, how they suffered? They suffered psychologically, because many of the family they lost their male members because of this First World War. So they was suffering. Then financially, the maximum companies or industries, what they started to do in the time of First World War, they started to produce many things for first the war weapons and war shoes, like that things. And when the war stopped, the companies become stagnant. There was no work, because they want to shift their work into old one, that was not possible on that particular time. Then from being a creditor, Europe become a debtor. Up to that time, Europe was giving loan to other countries. Even now they are giving, and but in the just after First World War, they started to take borrow money from, especially from America, USA. And with this First World War only, in USA becoming more powerful economically as well as socially more powerful. The supporters of the Weimar Republic were criticized and became easy target to attack the conservative nationalist circle. Those who was thinking like that the system was what we had earlier, that was good, or the conservatives, those who made the what Germany in a particular way and making made the unified Germany, and was ruling there as a monarch. And the Weimar Republic people, those who are supporting the Weimar Republic, they started to criticize the conservative nationalists. Then soldiers came to be placed above civilians. Then slowly what the Weimar Republic done, they given maximum advantages to, or they made soldiers as a first type of citizen, and the civilians become the second type of citizen. Then aggressive war propaganda and the national honor became important. Then they are given that idea to the whenever we want to work as a war, that we want to do like that. Then okay, we will continue in next video.